Aditya, and today I'm going to be talking about why are birds important. And birds are important for several reasons, both ecologically and culturally and in many other ways. First, let's talk about the ecological way. So birds play vital roles in ecosystems. They help control insects, population, disperse seeds, pollinate flowers, and even contribute to nutrient cycling through the droppings. Some birds, like vultures, help clean up the carcasses, preventing the spread of diseases in an aquatic ecosystem. Birds like seabirds and water plays essential roles in nutrient cycling and maintaining the health of coastal habitats. 2. Indicator species. Birds are often used as indicators of environmental health. Changes in birds' population can signal broader ecological shifts such as habitat loss, pollution, or climate change. Monitoring birds' population can provide valuable insights into overall health of ecosystem and help guide conservation efforts. Now, biodiversity. So biodiversity is like a different range, like a lot. Like as we all are diverse, this is what biodiversity means. Birds are incredibly diverse with over 10,000 species found worldwide. Honestly, before I read this, I didn't know what it was. They inhabit virtually every type of habitat, from polar regions to tropical rainforests, making them important contributors to global biodiversity. They are also just not that they're important. They're important in, just to say, also in a human way. They're important in a financial way. So let's just say birds have economic value. They support industries such as bird watching and ecotourism, generating revenue for local companies and contributing to the conservation of natural areas. Additionally, birds provide the ecosystem services that are essential for human well-being, such as pest control and pollination. Now, they also have just not those meanings. They have a different meaning. They have a meaning of culture. Like as all of us, we have a culture difference. Like they might have, there's a peacock as a national animal or as part of their religion. But they also have a cultural meaning. Like in India, the national animal is a tiger or a peacock are big animals to us. But in others, it's like a bird. So birds have cultural meanings. So bird has long captured the human imagination and feature an important role in mythology, art, literature, folklore around the world. When I was reading a story a long time ago about Native America, they believed a lot in birds. Just not any type of bird. They used to wear bird like feathers, like clothing. They used to they have had some birds. Their culture was related to birds. They are symbols of freedom, beauty, and diversity in many cultures, and have inspired countless works of art and literature. Overall, birds are important components of the ecosystem, contributing to their functional and resilience, while also holding cultural meanings for humans. Protecting birds and their habitat are essential for maintaining ecological balance and preserving biodiversity for future generations. So they have a very important meaning in life. So you should always treat birds and treat all the animals because they have an important meaning. Thank you. Have a nice day.